Welcome to Siargao in the Philippines, one of the most beautiful places I've ever been. Surfing's the main attraction here, but if that's not for you, then you can just spend your time visiting Del Carmen, San Benito, or maybe take a boat out to the islands, visit Tac Tac Falls, or just relax. Best thing to do in Siargao is to hire a motorbike, and then you've got free reign of the island to go wherever you want. Including to General Luna, where you'll find yoga classes, surf lessons, vegan restaurants, and so many hammocks everywhere. You'll also find Siargao's iconic surf tower. It's 10 AM and there's barely anyone on them. I've just come to Mangapukno, which is a famous local lookout point and swimming area, but unfortunately it's just started to rain, so I'm not going to go in, but this is what it looks like. So one of the most fun things you can do is, as you're driving around, you'll see all these little pathways up to, well, you don't know. You go up them and explore and go and have a look, and I've just been up one and it's just led me to the sea, as many of them do, because it's only a small island. You just get amazing views out to the Pacific Ocean.